Hey folks, it's Josh Kerievsky from Industrial Logic. This coming October 1st through 3rd in Berkeley, California, where I am right now, we are hosting a Modern Agile Workshop. It's going to be myself and my colleague Ashley Johnson, who's a veteran Lean and Agile consultant, coach, practitioner, an amazing instructor. I'm really excited about this training. We are combining 6 different modules into 3 days. We're going to be studying preconditions to agility, chartering, agile chartering. We're going to be studying flow and advanced flow. We're going to be studying evolutionary design, and last but not least, we're going to be studying psychological safety. I think it's going to be a phenomenal 3 days. I'd love to see you there. Look in the links below for the page about the workshop, and please come to Berkeley and learn a few things about Modern Agile. Thanks for watching.